Hello everyone, welcome to Winmate webinar session. I'm Anderson from the Winmate's marketing department team, and our today's topic is unleashing technological advancements in vehicle diagnostics. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the agenda for today's webinar. For today's agenda, I'll divide it into three parts. First, I'll explain a bit for the automotive industry overview, followed by Winmate's product lineups for the automotive industry. Lastly, I'll explain why our customers chose us as their partners. Now, let's dive into today's discussion. The automotive industry is marked by constant evolution and technological advancement. As vehicles become more sophisticated, the need for precise diagnostics has never been more critical. But what exactly is automotive diagnostics? So the term diagnostic is the process of identifying and analyzing issues or malfunctions in a vehicle system, such as the engine, transmission, brakes, and electronics. Modern vehicles are equipped with extensive computer networks that can provide information on the engine, brakes, and other related systems. Therefore, it involves using specialized tools and equipment to connect to the vehicle onboard computer system, retrieve error codes, and perform tasks to pinpoint the source of problems. As I mentioned earlier, the automotive diagnostics involves using specialized tools, equipment, and technology. For example, here we have Winmate L156 series rugged laptop, and it can be used for diagnostic software on the vehicle's onboard computer system. It can also handle real-time data streaming from the vehicle sensors, for example the engine RPM, temperature, and sensor readings. Now, with the rise of electric vehicles in the automotive industry, the landscape of automotive diagnostics is evolving. Unlike traditional internal engine vehicles, EVs have unique components like electric motors, battery system, and complex control systems. As EV technology advances, diagnostics tools must keep pace to effectively identify and address issues for specific electric propulsion. According to the President's research, the electric vehicle market was valued at $205.58 billion in 2022, and it's continued to evolving. Recent trends indicate a growing market for EVs, making it crucial for automotive diagnostic tools to adapt to the changing needs of modern vehicles. As EVs become more prevalent, the demand for advanced diagnostic equipment capable of understanding and troubleshooting sophisticated control systems is increasing, emphasizing the importance of staying at the forefront of automotive diagnostic technology. Now, with the automotive landscape evolving rapidly, it's important to have an effective vehicle diagnostics for ensuring the performance, safety, and reliability of both traditional and electric vehicles. Now, let's try to picture this. Imagine there's a vehicle mechanic called Jack. One day, there's a customer seeking a routine check. The diagnostic codes from the engine hint a subtle irregularity within the fuel injection system, an issue that might easily go unnoticed. This is where diagnostics takes center stage. Diagnostics tools can reveal a potential problem before it had a chance to escalate. With this early identification, Jack could then focus on optimizing the vehicle's performance. He delved into the intricacies of the fuel injection system, fine-tuning it to ensure that every drop of fuel was precisely delivered, maximizing efficiency and performance. As Jack continued his diagnostics, he uncovered a fault in the anti-lock braking systems. This critical safety feature, vital for the well-being of both driver and passengers, demands immediate attention. Addressing this ABS fault wasn't just about safety, it's a strategic financial decision. The diagnostics revealed a malfunction that, if left unattended, could lead to costly brake system repairs and compromise safety. By rectifying this issue promptly, Jake not only assured safety but also averted significant future expenses. Through this scenario, we witnessed the role of effective vehicle diagnostics, from issue identification to optimizing performance, safety assurance, and substantial cost savings. It highlights the vital role that diagnostics play in ensuring the longevity, efficiency, and financial health of our vehicles. Moving on, let's take a look on what Winmate has to offer for the automotive diagnostic industry. First, we have our rugged tablets, built from 80 to 14 inches, ideal for the on-the-go diagnostics and suitable for the automotive industry. Moving on, we have our rugged laptop with screen size ranging from 13 to 15.6 inches. And for this session, we'll be more focusing on the rugged laptop features. Now let's take a look at the features. Now our laptops are built to handle the roughest conditions. They meet the military standards, ensuring they can withstand even the harshest environment. Our rugged laptop could keep going 24/7 with a hot swappable batteries. It's like having an energy boost whenever you need it, swap them on the go, and you're good to keep working without missing a beat. Now, versatility is the key in today's dynamic world, and our rugged laptop is no exception. The comfortable screen seamlessly transforms from a laptop to a tablet, offering you the best of both features. Moving on, our rugged laptop understands the need for ultimate computing power. With an expansion area, you have the freedom to customize and enhance your laptop according to your computing needs. Lastly, our L156 series comes with an optional NVIDIA graphic card. Whether you're into heavy computing work or demanding applications, this optional feature ensures your laptop performs at its peak. Now that we've explored the impressive features of our rugged laptop, let's delve into a real-world scenario. Okay, we've all heard about how traditional laptops can struggle in extreme conditions, affecting efficiency and hindering diagnostics processes. This is precisely where our solution comes into play. As we've discussed, extreme conditions can be a problem for traditional laptops, but with the L140 series, that's no longer a concern. Its robust construction is tailored for the extreme environments, ensuring durability in the face of challenges like dust, water, and bumps. This feature addresses the very problem we've identified. The L140 series also equipped with a high-performance CPU, ensuring the diagnostic process runs smoothly regardless of the complexity. Lastly, its long hour and swappable battery feature allows for uninterrupted operation, eliminating downtime and ensuring your diagnostic work continues seamlessly. The L140 series by Winmate not only addresses these issues, but elevates your diagnostic capabilities, making it the go-to choice for those who demand reliability and efficiency in the every diagnostics industry. So why Winmate? When it comes to automotive industry or other industries, one of the key factors to consider is the availability of a wide range of products that are suitable for a variety of applications. Winmate here offers one-stop shop and service to customers, as our R&D, design, and manufacture are all under one roof. We also offer customization if our standard design does not meet your requirement. We have an experienced product need management and after-sales support who understand about the technical requirements from customer and communicate effectively to deliver solutions. In customer projects, we always show our ability to overcome different challenges and eliminate concerns from the customer. As I mentioned before, Winmate provides not only well-defined and ready-to-use products, but also professional services in customizing products and project management to meet a unique customer needs for various markets. Our products here are built to fit in diverse markets such as industrial automation, military, healthcare, marine, transportation, and many more. We also have passed the required certification to ensure the safety and durability of our respective products in those industries. Thank you for joining us today. Should you have any further questions or require additional information, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team through the link below. Thank you and have a great day.